Today we're showing you a New Holland TT60A tractor. It's a two-wheel drive open operator station tractor. Does have the canopy top on it. Tractor is in great shape, has just over 450 hours. It's got the front weights on it, front grill guard, paint's in nice shape on the tractor. Again, it is a two-wheel drive unit. Has the high-low range over here to the left of the seat, and then 4 gears in reverse over there to the right. Rear remote, 3-point PTO levers all beside the seat. If you're looking for a raking tractor, tedding tractor, brush hog tractor, or something of that nature, this one's definitely worth a look. The engine is prior to all the Tier 4 emissions, so has none of the regen, none of the DPF, none of that stuff. It's a very, very clean little tractor. We do take trades. We also offer trucking and financing. If you have any questions regarding this tractor or any of our other units on our yard, we stock approximately 120 to 130 used tractors. If you have any questions regarding this or any other unit, please contact us or visit us on the web at masttractor.com.